Welcome to the sponsor of this video, Top FX. Now, Top FX is a global award-winning broker that has been around since the year 2010. Top FX prides itself in offering multiple trading assets over multiple trading platforms, that is on your CTrader and MetaTrader. Now, we also have expert analysis from our top traders on a daily basis. We also offer various accounts that you can choose from, with spreads starting from 0 pips up to 0.5 pips and leverage of up to 1:1,000. Now, if you're ready to start trading with the top and the best broker currently, click that link in the description button or click start trading and register your account now. Welcome guys to another market breakdown. Today we are going to look at the US30, and we are also going to review a trade that was missed on dollar CAD or USD CAD, that is. So yeah, let's try to do this under 5 minutes. So US30, or otherwise known as Dow Jones, is an index listed in the New York Stock Exchange that comprises of the top 30 industrial companies from the United States of America. So yeah, with that said, let's get to it. So first things first, as always, we always look for the trend. So we have a higher low here. We've got a high there, a higher low here, which I think matches this one, and a high over there. And the last higher is that one. So in the great scheme of things, you can say right here we had a change of character from a higher time frame perspective, right? Looking at the main trend, right? I'm not going to use that for now. Let us so we have 250 levels. As always, when we trade indices, we try to find those 250 levels. It helps us with our targets and to see where the market will potentially make turns. So the simple thing that I do personally using this strategy, I know a lot of people use it differently, but what I do with it is I try to find an area of supply or demand above or below these 250 levels. So what I recognized here is that the market is currently reacting to this order block, if you may, or this area of demand. As you can see, we had a huge rejection there, and on the upper side of things, we have this as a main area of supply. So with that said, and considering that in the great scheme of things, we have a potential change of character here. So, and if you look at this leg, I mean, this market kept on breaking lows, breaking lows, breaking lows, breaking lows. So to me, that sounds like a downtrend, right? So let's step onto a 15-minute time frame to further investigate that. So what do we have here? We have a break of structure here on the left-hand side. So hence, I'm looking for selling opportunities here. So we had a break of structure over there. So let's see if we can fix that. Right, stay with me here, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you're enjoying these videos, by the way. Give me a comment, drop me a comment in the comment section if you have been enjoying or benefiting from these videos. Right, let us zoom into that. Right, so what happened here is we had a push to the downside. We also have a break of structure here, an impulsive push to the downside, corrective move, and then another impulsive push to the downside, which broke structure on the left hand side. And this impulsive push left an area of interest here, or an order block that was left unmitigated up here. What is also interesting to note here is that when this market pushed to the downside, it left some imbalance. For those that are part of the Wall Street Institute mentorship, know what kind of elements or the elements that are in our checklist that we look at prior to making an entry to a particular trade, right? Let me adjust that a bit. So I want you to see this thing much bigger and clearer, right? So we have that area of unmitigated supply over there. So that's our point of interest. So simply here, what would be anticipating is for the market to push to the upside, right? And higher highs and higher lows format, probably change of character from a lower time frame perspective, and then drop to the downside. As you can see where I put my arrow here, it is because we have this area here, this area of this area of potential demand here. So when it comes to indices, because they're highly volatile and they pay quite good amount of money, so I don't try to be too ambitious. So I just try to find a manageable trades. For those that are experienced would see that we have the order block is supposed to be adjusted to that. So what are we anticipating here? The market to push to that area and then drop to the downside. Why am I taking profits here? Because of this area of demand, plus there is an area of imbalance here. So there's that area of imbalance that I expect the market to fill in. Maybe let's step down to a 5-minute time frame, that being the last time frame that we're going to look at. We do not go anywhere lower than that because I mean, there's just too much movement, there's too much information there. You might lose the bigger picture or the grand scheme of things, right? So yeah, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. So what we expect here is for the market to push to the downside. Let's see if it's worth trading this setup. Remember, our minimum risk reward ratio is 1:5. That allows us to just depend on a 20% win rate strategy, so to speak. So even if you're not that good of a trader, there's still a chance of you making money. Let me adjust that. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. Here's a setup for US30. I'm hoping you're going to take advantage of this as the week goes on. And say this again for those that know I'm still not okay to be meeting clients and helping you guys with the setups. Just gonna leave this here, hoping that you are going to, yeah, work on it yourself. So let us look at USDCAD. USDCAD moved nicely, but honestly, I didn't take this trade setup. I was in front of my screen. As you can see, let's go to a 4-hour time frame. Let's see. We'll just be looking at the analysis here. So what happened here was that so yeah, what happened here was that I saw that this area of supply is in control currently, because we had a reaction there. So this area of supply is in control. So market pushed up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then the market reversed to the downside, changing character here. And I was waiting for the market to come back to a premium price where I will be able to sell this pair. And stepping down to the next lower time frame, which is our 15 minutes time frame. Let us see what's happening there. So in the market reversing to the upside after this impulsive push to the downside, so I had that area of interest of which the market mitigated, and we had a change of character here, right here, and then the market pushed up to the candlestick responsible for the change of character, which is that one, and there was imbalance just below that. Market reacted. Unfortunately, I couldn't get involved in this trade, but it looked like a nice trade setup. However, when the market came back to this unmitigated area of supply after passing through this imbalance, that's when I got interested in the trade. And like I said, I missed this trade setup. So I just want to show you guys how it looks before. So this is the before of the setup. There we go. And the after looked like that. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're benefiting a lot from these videos. Please do click on that like button, subscribe, share it with friends and family whom you believe can benefit from this. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out. Cheers.